Hey guys, Hayden here from Alarm System Store, and today I'm bringing you a quick tip on how to remove wireless devices from your DSC Neo. So let's hop over to the table and I'll show you how it's done. Okay, so we got a 9945 here programmed in, and let's say you got a defective device, like your reed switch isn't working anymore, or the battery's dying on it a lot, you need to replace the unit, but you just want to take it off your system real quick so that it's not going to be keeping you from arming your system. So what we can do is go into your installer programming, star 8, installer code, 555 is the default, and then we're going to go to 804, and that is going to be our wireless programming section. Now that we're on the wireless programming section, if we go to section 901, this is going to be the delete zone section. So we have this sensor set for zone 9. Scroll over to zone 9, we're going to hit star, and it's going to ask you if you're sure you want to delete. Hit star again, and now zone 9 in that device is deleted out of the system. If you hit it again, it will say device does not exist, and now that sensor is no longer tied to the system. And that's all there is to it.